Welcome guys to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on Bhop Pro game. So open the settings of your device, click next at apps option and search for Bhop Pro and click. Go click directly at storage, click just clear cache and back now, click at force stop and click OK. So after that move directly to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Update your Bhop Pro on the last version if it is available. And when you update the game, the last step is very easy. Restart your phone and after that your problem will be fixed correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next tutorial.